How to make gaming logo in Bing AI 2024. In this video, what I'm going to be quickly doing is I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and make a gaming logo for yourself in the easiest way. So a gaming logo could be anything from your YouTube channel gaming logo, or maybe you want to create a games logo itself, whatever you want. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to add a prompt like this. Make me a video game logo. The game is dark and very, let's say, competitive. The game is called, let's call it Blood Wars. I want the logo to be red and black with a matte shine to it. Okay, so this is basically the type of prompt you're going to add and need to make it extremely descriptive so Bing AI knows what it's supposed to do. And once you've added the correct prompts, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on create from there. And once you click on create, as you can see, it's going to create your gaming logo as so. So how cool does that look? So basically, that is how you're going to make a gaming logo in Bing AI in the easiest and most simplest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.